Although DSO offers valuable insight into accounts receivable performance, it may not be the ideal metric to measure collection effectiveness. When it comes to your collection process, how can you tell if you're successful or not? Many companies simply look at their AR balance to determine the success of their collections. However, the calculation does not consider the amount that is past due versus the amount that is current. Eventually, DSO can be misleading since it fluctuates based on revenue, which is a key weakness. Rather than counting just the DSO to measure performance in credit and collection, we can now use the Collection Effectiveness Index to accurately measure performance. CEI is a measure of the quality of the collection of receivables, not of time. The higher the CEI, the stronger the credit policy and the more effective the collections process. In contrast, a low CEI will make the senior management understand that credit policies, collection strategies, and customer relationship issues need to be improved. Looking at a specific period of time, you need to know 4 numbers to calculate CEI. 1. This is the amount of the AR at the beginning of the period. 2. The amount of sales you made on credit during the period. 3. The total of payments you received for credit sales made during the period. 4. The amount in AR at the end of the period. Assess the effectiveness of a collection effort using these benchmarks. Check out the complete blog to learn how to calculate CEI for your organization.